Anyways, it's not actually, it's been a while kasi I have filmed myself during or before my midterms. So I have finished my midterms exam or my midterms week, and if I'm going to rate my midterms, I'd say 0, like 0, kasi I was not very confident with my performance kasi I don't know, I know to myself that I wasn't able to review everything because I was running out of time, and I was procrastinating. So what the heck is this? Something bite me. I'm gonna show you. Look at that. What the heck is that? It's like a bump and then there's a tiny bite. I don't know what's that. Anyway, hindi rin ako magiging vampire kasi ang vampire dito man yun. Again, I'm expected to say that maging vampire. Anyway, as I was saying, I did not perform well. Like, I was only confident with my first day of exam. Like, first day ko, CC and also Micro Vero. That's the only subjects I am confident with. And true enough, I got a good score. However, sa hima ko, histopath, and also BB or Lablatang, I don't know if I'll be able to pass them. Pero nakita ko ng scores ko sa midterm sa histopath, and I'm gonna say it did not do well. Like, it was so fucking hell. I mean, my score is fucking hell. I freaking woke up late. Look at my freaking eyes. Like, I'm gonna go to school looking like this. Yes. Grabe, nalate ako sa mata. It's already 7 and I have a class at 7:30. And I just finished preparing myself. I wasn't even able to take a bath and wash my hair because I'm so freaking late. I don't have time for that because I need to blow dry my hair after showering. So, I don't have the luxury to do that as I was admitting. So I'll just be already finished. Wait lang. Tapos ma-review pa ako kasi dahil ko na naman tagal yung review pa. I only finished 3 freaking PDFs. And I still have 2. Ano mo ba? My bed is so messy right now. Like, I can't even tell if it's still a bed or a freaking tambakan. Wait lang. I need to pause because I'm just gonna fix my bed kasi hindi ako think properly. Here's my bag. I'm just gonna... Oh shit. This is what happens if you like sleep so late. Dapat talaga ito naman tutulog. Or like siguro naman na I'm just gonna take a nap for about 1 hour or 2 hours. 2 hours because girl, you're not gonna wake up. You'll alert up sabog kasi diba na muna ang alarm mo. So nakaka-disturb ang tulog mo. Tapos di mo magpapanindigan ang pagmatasin atin. Hindi sabog ka. Ngayon, ang akong eyes will both red. And my classmate's gonna tease me again for looking like this. I'm supposed to be wearing my clinical uniform, but I wasn't able to iron them, so I have to just use scrub. I'm hoping that I won't get violation sleep. Kasi, wala ako time. Oh, nag-vlog ka pa, diba? Talaga, naman. Now ready to go to school. Diba? Nag-vlog pa talaga siya. Look at my lips, guys. I applied some lipstick na. 2, kasi girl, sobra ka-pale ang person talaga ni patient. Okay, I'm gonna go to school. Bye. This is backpack. Bakit ba? This is my backpack, you all. Ay, hindi nakalock.
cellphone niya. Ano, wala din yung anak ko. Okay, nagpatapos ka na sa kami ng music. Hindi ako makakonig ah. Kamar sa tayo. Hindi mapait yung ano, ang balaya.
I'm so freaking sleepy. So I'm currently fixing stuff here. Oh, I also have with me my black coffee because I need to, I don't know. I'm supposed to just drink this because I need to awaken myself because I'm so freaking sabog. However, I feel like this freaking black coffee gives me tachycardia. I mean, it's giving me tachycardia. I think I put a lot of black coffee. Like, the concentration of the black coffee is just too much. Kaya, I don't know, my heart is freaking overwhelmed. My heart is panicking. And I'm contemplating if I'm gonna still continue drinking it or just, no, I can't. I need to freaking finish it because I don't want to waste my effort because I made that freaking black coffee. Today I have PE class at 6 p.m. So that's why I am preparing myself kasi after our PE class, we're going to Navotas kasi we're heading to Bulacan. Then we're just gonna get the samples. After getting the sample, we're going to head back in Manila. Tapos makato sa school to have our laboratory experiment kasi we need to finish our laboratory experiment. Kaya we need to freaking have progress na sa chapter 4 and 5. So, yeah. Today will be a very long day for me. And also, I wasn't able to attend my first class, like yung 7 a.m. ko na class. It's my AUBF class. Kaya, I wasn't feeling well kasi I think I'm having tonsillitis. Now, I'm gonna be reading I'm just gonna read chapter 10 for a bit kasi I still have time pa naman. It's just 3:03. Kailangan ko lang maraman like yung discuss kanina kasi I don't wanna be behind that much. Tapos, I'm gonna edit our chapter 3, which is the methodology. Kasi we change our sample size, so I need to change also the freaking solutions, the measurements and stuff. So, I'm gonna do that. Hopefully. Kasi I think we need it tomorrow kasi mag-experiment na kami. So, yeah.
Talaga vlog. Sige, kita ba eh.
Ready yung snack.
Baka iba na yung mga halongkat ko dyan sa pinakadulo kayo. Yung pagkain ni Leon. Pinipit ko na nahihilo na kainin dun eh. Nahihilo na siya. Charger. Sino kasi yung nag-close nito? Bakit hindi maayos? Wallet, papaskuhan ko kayo. Next. Uy, lagay sa dulo yung pagkain.
Sabing banding na to. Outing na to, hindi na to thesis. No, naka-office na. Ang bilis.
Ako naman yung point of view.
Oo nga pa. Sino mag-a-travel na muna? Sila. Pero mamaya, tayong dalawa. Kanya-kanya.
Apat, lima, anim. Eh, mga nagdidildi pa iba niyan eh. Kuno ng dalawa. Baka ito, pwede siyang manilit.
Ay, ayun pala yung me. Me. Ding.
Payaramin naman tayo. Hindi.
Made it to UFO. Made it to FEU.
Expensive to compare with airlines. I need to freaking go back to 5th floor because I forgot my ID and I can't go out without it. Because we're gonna be buying distilled water.
For 18 to 24 hours. Pero paano kaya pag...
My skin is so bad. Ang call time talaga naman is 7:30 in the morning. Pero 8 na ako nakatay.
Ito 6 na lang. 6 na lang naman yun.
Yeah.
It's early in the afternoon. And I'm eating ice cream. Pagkatapos ko mag-ano sa kaya kumakain ako, nagkakaroon ng ice cream kay Susan. Literally. Like, breakdown ako in front of my parents. Like, I mean, I called them kasi, like, everything is just too much. So I needed someone to talk to. Kasi super heavy sa chest ko. Like, I wasn't feeling good a while ago. Kasi after, basta, it's because of some reasons and stuff. Basta, hindi ko na siya i-detail pa para, I mean, hindi ko na siya i-detail pa pero basta. So, if you guys can see, medyo ano pa ng eyes ko. Hindi na siya swollen, pero kanina talaga like legit. Nag-ganyan pa ako. Pero kasi, sobrang natulog ako kanina. Ice cream is the best medicine. I'm watching Extraction. I'm rewatching Extraction. After hindi ba tulog ako, saka na kumain ng scholars. Ito na naman ang mga pila sa buhay ng bakit ba?
Alam niyo ba siya nagka-pause? Kasi may dumaan na tayo. So, dila-dila suko na ako sa buhay.
Wala.
Suko na ako sa buhay ko.
Ah, talaga?
Parang lashes ko kumakain.
Grabe, muto ko dito ko in-expect na ganito siya. Legit mo da? Sa camera.
Let me see myself.
This is the third time I'm gonna be trying speaking. This is the reason why I usually don't like talking because, girl, it takes so much time. It takes so much of my time. Kaya I tend to freaking mess up whenever I'm conversing. Like, whenever I'm talking. I don't know, I think it's one of my freaking, disadvantage? Ano ka ba, guys? Cons. As a human being. Cons ko siya as a persona. I don't know. Yeah, I'm so bad with communicating. I'm so bad talking. I'm so bad, like, having conversation in general. Like, I tend to mess up. I tend to stutter. I tend to, be bulol. I tend to not talk straight. Sometimes I mixed up some gibberish words into my sentences. Like, I tend to say gibberish words unintentionally kasi I thought I'm saying it like clearly and correct, pero anahilo sa diwa ko is iba, like out of this world na words. Kaya sometimes I just tend to just shut up because even myself I can't understand what I'm saying sometimes. Like, if I'm going to film myself talking, then I'm going to rewatch the video. Girl, it's so hard for me to honestly understand what I'm saying kasi sometimes di ko na maintindihan yung sugad ko kay malang bulol na siya. Anyway, ano ko kasi ginisaya ka ganina, yung kukwento ko is, what I did today. Ang first agenda ko kanina, I had a lot of errands a while ago. So, I woke up at 9 a.m. and then I prepared myself. I am with my cousin earlier. Like, both of us went to our second session sa treatment or underarm treatment or Zyod underarm treatment kasi both of us scheduled it at the same day kasi we're like this. So, yeah. Tapos, after some errands ko kanina sa mall, we both went back to our dorm kasi ako, I have a studying to do. Tapos, magla-laundry din ako and I'm gonna clean the dorm. She has an errand too. Tapos yan sa MOA with my other cousin because there's an event sa BTS and they're giving free photo booths at saka pictures and stuff. They're giving it free sa mga fans, and I myself is actually a BTS fan, pero I have so much of like schoolworks, like I have bunch of schoolworks na need ko i-accomplish tonight or today, so I'm trying to like do it and not procrastinate. Pero I finished my laundry na kanina, tapos magbibigay sa dorm, so now I'm just doing my schoolworks. I'm trying to finish my worksheets, which is deadline tonight as early as I can kasi I still have to study for my quiz tomorrow, and that I need more time for studying kasi lately ang brain ko is not freaking it's not in well condition. Like, I'm really not functioning I already noticed it in the past few months. As even like yung first time ko mag-enter ng third year, that's when everything just messed up. And I feel like I started from scratch once again. Kasi I'm trying to adapt naman sa new setting as a third year, and it's so freaking, as much as I want to cry, I just can't because my tears are just, I wanna dry na lang sa eyes ko because of so much stress and anxiety and schoolworks.
Kaya ba to? Kaya Ali. Bakit ang buko? Bye.
So most of our staff are very young. Okay? And we have also Joey and Cesar here for supporting us. Okay, very background. Kanina, alam natutuwa ako kasi it's been a while na hindi ako nakapunta ng Mindula sa area nito. Correct, no? So binigyan din ako ng spot. Marami ka.
Bakit pa naman yung exercise na gagawin?
It's so freaking loud. I'm on my way to the dentist. Like, I just finished my laboratory sa research. Okay, bye-bye.
Joe, played by Grammy Award-winning artist Her, and Raisa, played by Liza Sobrano, who you may recognize from Lisa Frankenstein and Filipino films like Alone Together. After venturing into a mysterious portal, the two friends find themselves stranded in a mystical world. And in order to get home, they may need to trade their entire lifetime of memory, voices, the direction, music. What was it like for most of you? How did it feel to be part of this project? I've always wanted to be part of a project that kind of showcases Filipinos and Filipino culture on a global scale.
Rewatching.
Ay, hindi ba yan?
Expect ko naman sa sarili ko
Sorry.
na I will lead. And
This
you will
is
follow.
the aftermath. Grabe.
Yun ang trabaho ko bilang ate.
The vulgarity in the mouth. Coming from the mouth.
Para di rin niya ma-post.
Hindi, ano to eh. Sinuntok niya ako.
Niri.
Beto.
My face is so swollen right now. Like, it's still swollen. Kasi day 3 pala sa post-surgery ko. So, we started to removal. And I'm on my way to the laboratory kasi we're gonna interpret our colonies na. Wish me luck. Literally people out here. I'm on my way to CR. Girl, it's freaking amazing because like, there's no student. Like, I think mga researchers lang like student researchers. Ooh! Ang student researchers, nandito. I'm gonna show you my face. This is my day 3. I literally look like I'm eating some candy. This is swollen to here. But it's not super swollen na. Unlike yesterday, it was so weird. I look like Roblox. This is so freaking weird. I'm gonna read it. Pagka my new glasses, I went to optical clinic. Grabe is the side hustle ko today. And I bought some take home na food kay, take out na food kay, hindi ko naubos. Kaya akong anit ako. Na ako, ang buti wala kasi sa mga so freaking low, but I don't know where to film na. Pero we're currently dropping off the samples for Vitex sa US. So, earlier, I woke up around 7 because I went to school. Actually, ang call time is, the call time is 9 a.m. pero I was not informed. So, I woke up 7. I prepared myself. So yun. Tapos, naganda na ako sa school. Then, I just had some laboratory experiments sa thesis na mo. Then, after that, around 12 p.m., my tita and I went to an optical shop to change my lenses and also my frame. Because I need to upgrade my grade sa lenses ko kasi ayun ako, nagdagdag na naman siya. Buti pa ang grade ko sa mata nagdadagdag. Ang grades ko kaya. Anyway. Tapos, after change ko sunglasses, I went back to school to continue our laboratory work. Like, literal na nag-skip lang ako during lunch break para masingit ko na ako na glass. Then, natapos kami sa lab work around 3 p.m. We went to UST for the Vitex. Tapos, we finished our appointment there around 6 na, magsi-6 na. Tapos niyan, I finished our worksheet. Kaya may deadline ako niyan. And then, I'm rewatching Avengers. I finished rewatching the Avenger 2012, 13, 12. Tapos Avengers, Age of Ultron. And then now I'm rewatching Captain America, Civil War. Then, I'm gonna watch later the Infinity. Infinity ba yun? Wow, I looked so pale a while ago, so I wanted to ako naman kasi dili magsayo, so I tried putting some lipstick. It's actually not a lipstick. It's what do you call this one? I'm gonna show you. Girl, mala ko nagkaon lollipop. This is how you look like after eating the lips lollipop. I don't know if you guys know it, but in the Philippines, it's a very popular lollipop. I actually don't know when it was released. Pero kasi I'm a 2000 baby. So, matalaga tong lollipop na very popular when I was a kid. And this is the lip color you get after eating that lollipop. I use this Glow oil tint. It's actually, I don't know, it's 200 plus. It's actually expensive as someone who's not rich. It's actually expensive, and it was so it was so funny because we finished studying around 1 a.m. that time, and Faith and I went to 7-Eleven to buy some snacks kasi we planned to continue our study or continue studying sa dorm na. So we dropped sa 7-Eleven, and then we saw this, and we were kind of like hypnotized. Kasi sa packaging niya, it was so good. And also the picture sa packaging, the lips, the color is so good. Tapos ginpalit na mo. Tapos gin-apply na mala kami Chika Babes. 12 dot of red. I think this one is Thai product. And the smell is actually nice at first. Pero like, in the long run, medyo nag-weird yung smell. I don't know why. Fruity ang smell niya actually. Kasi kanina super pale ko. Feeling ko na overwhelmed ang lawas ko kanina kay legit na mo nang ginhimo na mo. Look at this. Because I usually just dab the applicator sa lips ko. Then I'll spread it using my finger because I feel like it's too unhygienic too. Wow, unhygienic ang ganon. Kasi naman dito, no? Mas spread out ang saliva ko sa dito. That's so weird. I'm gonna show you. Ang salagod na. See? I look like a freaking whore. I feel like I'm a ballerina. Ballerina sa night sa club. This is me for 3rd years in college. Almost in her internship, and I need to freaking claim that internship. Okay? Girl, I'm so freaking scared. Grabe niya nagtatamon anesthesia sa ako. I'm honestly so scared because girl, may QPA para makapag-intern ka, and I don't know if I'll make it sa QPA. I don't know, I feel so stupid actually. Do you like my glasses? I don't know if it suits me, pero wala na ko choice mo na available.